Hello, my beautiful crafting friends. Today we are back with day 8 of our 12 Days of Christmas series. I am super excited to show you what I have planned for today. Please remember to like and subscribe to my channel, and don't forget to join my Diamonds and Dust Facebook group as we are doing daily giveaways. We will be working on a 16-ounce plump and another beautiful template, and I can't wait to show you, so let's get started. Today we will be working on a 16-ounce plump from the Still Magnolia and another beautiful template. I have already cut it out of my vinyl of choice, and I am just going to place this transfer sheet over the top so we can get it ready to apply it to the cup. I am going to fold back just about an inch of the backing and apply that to the cup. Wrap it around with the rest of the backing just to make sure the top lines up perfectly. This will ensure your pattern also matches up. Once you get it all matched up, you can just take a little bit more of that backing off and push it on with your hand, and the backing will release until you get the full template applied. Once you have it wrapped around and have almost matched up to the beginning of your template, you're going to want to take that transfer tape and start peeling it back a few inches so you can make sure that the pattern lines up perfectly and not overlap that transfer tape. Now you can remove the rest of your transfer tape, and then we are going to look at our pattern and decide what sections we would like to remove of the template to glitter. And the first one I chose to remove is this very bottom section. You can freehand this if you wish. This time I decided to get a little bit more technical and tape off that vinyl to protect it from our glitter and glue. After you have it taped off, take a coordinating color to your glitter. I chose this pink from Miss Lillian's, and then mix a little bit of glitter glue. Paint the bottom section, and while that paint and glue mixture is still wet, sprinkle on your glitter. Today I am using this beautiful kind of pinky rose gold called Let's Kiss. Now you're going to want to remove the tape, and the next section you're going to glitter. Then you can tape off the vinyl again to protect it from the glue and glitter, but you are going to want to wait to glitter this section until that pink section has dried a little bit so the next color doesn't contaminate it. Once that is dried for a little bit, mix your color and your glitter glue, paint it on, and then we are going to apply the color You're Kiwing Me. Once again, you're going to want to remove that tape while that glitter glue is still wet. Then remove the next section of the template you would like to glitter. Let that green dry for a little bit and then tape off your vinyl again to protect it, and find the next color you would like to add to your tumbler. Today we are going with this beautiful white glitter called Frosting. Don't forget to remove that tape while that glitter glue is wet. Then you are going to let this tumbler dry until that glitter glue is completely dry. And then you're going to spray seal this cup really well, especially on the glitter part. I usually use Rust-Oleum or Krylon triple thick, and I usually do at least 2 heavy coats, sometimes 3. Once that spray sealer has dried, it is time for a coat of epoxy. And a lot of people ask me how I don't contaminate my vinyl with a bunch of stray glitter. And the answer to that is you will always get a glitter or 2 up in your vinyl. But how I try to prevent that is after my spray sealer has dried, I take a dry bristle brush and just gently brush my tumbler to see if there is any loose glitter. And then when I apply my epoxy, I kind of take my finger and float it over the glitter and not actually push it onto the cup, if that makes any sense. Now that that epoxy layer has cured, it's time to add your vinyl striping. I cut out 2 different sizes in this metallic gold, and I wish I could tell you guys what size I cut these, but honestly, I never measure. I just look at it and then think, that's good enough. But if I was to guess, I would say the thicker one is a little bit thinner than a 1/4 inch, and the other thinner stripe is a little bit thinner than 1/8 of an inch. I'm going to start applying the thicker one at the bottom of the green, and then I am moving on to the thinner stripe and placing that one on top of the green. And I'm doing the exact same thing with the white, going with the thicker stripe and placing that on the bottom of the white, and then adding the thinner stripe on top of the white. And then just to add a little bit more sexiness, I added 1 more thin stripe above the white. Now you can add a decal if you wish, but I decided not to. I just felt like it would take away from the sleek beauty of this tumbler. So now if you didn't add your decal, you can add another coat of epoxy. And here is our tumbler all finished. I am absolutely obsessed with this design. Not only is it super simple and sleek, but just pairing it with that beautiful poinsettia vinyl just makes it super sexy. I hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial. If you did, please remember to like and subscribe, and look for me on all other social media platforms under Diamonds and Dust.